got a specific type of garden thug that will literally decimate your plants if you leave them alone. And they are the Sri Lankan weevil. These guys do damage. Let me show you what kind of damage they can do. So here we have my blueberry, which was a blueberry, and they have totally sucked the life out of this blueberry plant. I put a net over it and I'm watering it to see if it'll come back, but I don't know, she might be a goner, but I'll keep trying. Over here I have my apricot tree, also completely decimated. I mean, these guys, if you leave them alone for 2 seconds. Over here, as you can see, that's a jujube. Sucked dry. Sucked dry. This is how I deal with them every day. So here I have a bucket of soapy water, and these guys, they're quick, and I have to come to each plant every day, and I have a lot of plants, and just kind of go through the entire tree and search them out. Here's one. There he is. And I just pick them off and dump them in the bucket. So this is my cherry tree, and as you can see, I'm trying to save it because this is the damage that they do. They eat the leaves down until it's basically nothing, and they will strip this entire plant completely off. So I'm doing my best to save my cherry tree. I might have to cover her with a net.